Hello students and very good morning to you all. My name is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and I am a subject teacher of social studies. Students, I hope that you all are fine at your homes and till now your periodic assessment test is over and from today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Villages of India. Villages of India. Okay, this is our fourth chapter. This is our fourth chapter on page number 24, and on top left corner there is a point given learning outcomes. Okay, in learning outcomes the points which are given, it means that what are the different topics we are going to learn in this chapter or a particular chapter, what are the things we are going to explore about the topic, okay, what are the new things which we are going to learn about that particular chapter. Okay, so the chapter name is Villages of India. So it is very clear to you all that we are going to talk about, we are going to learn about the conditions, the occupation, the human life, okay, the structure of Indian villages. Okay, how Indian villages are look alike, what is their structure, what forms of houses they have, okay, what type of food habits, what type of occupations, these all points we are going to elaborate. Okay, so the first point is, when we are talking about learning outcomes, when we are talking about learning outcomes, first point is explain what a village is. Explain what a village is. Okay? Describe a village in India. Describe a village in India. Okay? And the third point, list the differences between a village and a city. List the differences between a village, okay, a village and a city. Now students, see the first point, explain what a village is. Okay, we will be able to explain after the completion of this chapter that what a village is, okay, what a village is called, on what basis a particular place is known as a village. After that, second point is describe a village in India. What does it means? It means that what type of villages does India have? Okay, so we have to describe the structure formation, okay, of Indian villages. And third point is list the differences between a village and a city. Okay, we have to point out, we have to list the differences between a village and a city. Okay, on what particular basis a village is different from a city. Okay, so these are the points we are going to learn, we are going to evaluate in this lesson. ठीक है, हम इस चैप्टर में इंडिया के गांवों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, वी विल स्टडी अबाउट विलेजेस ऑफ इंडिया, हमारे देश के जो गांव हैं उनके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे। एंड दूसरी चीज, गांव और शहर के बीच डिफरेंस क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ विलेज एंड अ सिटी। सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर। नाउ on page number 21, before starting this chapter, on page number 24, one point is given, heritage corner. Okay, since ancient times most Indian villages have been governed by panchayats. Okay, since ancient times, पहले के समय से, जब हम आज़ादी के बाद, जब हमारा देश आज़ाद हुआ उसके बाद से या उसके पहले भी, ठीक है, जो हमारे इंडियन विलेजेस थे, ठीक है, दे आर गवर्न्ड, दे हैव बीन गवर्न्ड बाय पंचायत्स। टिल नाउ दे आर बीन गवर्न्ड बाय पंचायत्स, ठीक है। द वर्ड पंचायत मीन्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ 5 वाइज एंड रिस्पेक्टेड पीपल हु आर चूजन टू लुक आफ्टर द लोकल कम्युनिटी। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पंचायत? पंचायत मीन्स formation of a group or a community which includes 5 respected people of that particular village। ठीक है, जिस गांव में पंचायत होती है, जिस गांव में, तो पंचायत को फॉर्म करने के लिए, उस संगठन को बनाने के लिए, उस ग्रुप को बनाने के लिए उस पर्टिकुलर गांव से 5 रिस्पेक्टेड पीपल को उसमें जोड़ा जाता है। ठीक है, इफ समथिंग बैड हैपन्स इन दैट विलेज, bad in the sense of law and order, regarding law and order of that village, then the panchayat holds a meeting on a public place and they declare the result regarding that crime, that किसने ये crime किया है, how it is going to be solved and what are the different aspects regarding that crime or anything which is regarding law and order of that village. Okay, now see on page number 25, what is a village? A village is a small place far away from the city where people live. Okay, what is a village? Village is a small place, village is a small place far away from the city, okay, where people live। एक छोटी सी जगह जो शहर से बहुत दूर है और वहाँ पे लोग निवास करते हैं, रहते हैं, उसे हम विलेज कहते हैं, दैट इज गांव। द हाउसेस इन अ विलेज आर ऑफन सराउंडेड बाय फार्म्स, फील्ड्स एंड ट्रीज। ठीक है, जो गांवों के घर होते हैं वो अक्सर क्या होते हैं, सराउंडेड होते हैं किन चीजों से, फील्ड से, फार्म्स से और पेड़ों से। मोस्ट पीपल इन इंडिया लिव्स इन विलेजेस। Okay, most of the people, or we can say most of the population of India lives in villages. People who live in villages are called villagers। ठीक है, जो लोग विलेज में निवास करते हैं, जो लोग विलेजेस में रहते हैं, उनको विलेजर्स कहा जाता है। Most villagers work in farms to grow crops and raise cattle. Life in a village is quieter than लाइफ इन अ टाउन और सिटी। ठीक है, जो गांव का जीवन है वो कुछ शांतिमय है एज कंपेयर टू टाउन और अ सिटी। द एयर इन अ विलेज इज यूजुअली क्लीन। ओके, द एयर विच वी इनहेल इन विलेजेस, दैट इज यूजुअली क्लीन एज कंपेयर टू सिटीज। देयर आर ऑलमोस्ट नो टॉल बिल्डिंग्स एंड फ्यूअर बसेस एंड कार्स। गाँव में बहुत बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स नहीं होती हैं एंड देयर आर फ्यूअर बसेस। ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का जो माध्यम है वो फ्यूअर होता है, बहुत कम होता है, फ्यूअर एंड वी हैव फ्यूअर बसेस एंड कार्स। ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू कवर द टॉपिक दैट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ विलेज एंड अ सिटी। ऑन व्हाट बेसिस अ विलेज इज different from city, this point we are going to cover in our next video। Okay, Before starting the new topic, you are going to revise all the topics which we had discussed in this video. Okay, you will make a reading of this chapter. First you will read this chapter, what the points I have taught you just now. Okay, you are going to understand the meaning of a village. Okay, and you are going to learn the structure of the village in India. Okay, after that we will start the new topic, that is the difference between a village and a city. After that, houses in a village, and so on. We have many topics under this chapter. Okay, thank you so much.